What do you feel about the current IPL? What about the teams and all? What is your view?
A lot of surprises.
You were part of the Delhi team, but if you had to choose your favorite team right now, कौन सी team होगी and क्यों? What is the reason for that?
See, I've always had a soft corner for.
ये अच्छा leadership कर रहा है, लेकिन in IPL 2026 then whose name would you want to take?
I feel obviously
Delhi Capitals fans, it would be so pleasing to know that this is how it was back then. Any fun memory?
the earliest memory would be I was playing my first practice game for Delhi Daredevils, and obviously in that team, just to be part of that team was huge for me. 19-year-old kid in the team of superstars. Like that team was Virender Sehwag, Mahela Jayawardene, Ajit Agarkar, Irfan Pathan, Ashish Nehra. Right on day one, I knew I was not going to get a game to play. That is how strong that team was.
God. One young player in IPL 2026 to watch out for. Best IPL captain ever. Your choice. Hello there everyone. Welcome to Bat Ball or Baate. As promised, we bring in cricket to you in a unique way always. And with IPL fever up alive, बात तो थोड़ी खास और होने ही वाली है. Well, today I have with me Royston Dice. He is a first-class cricketer representing Bombay. He's also been a part of Delhi Daredevils in IPL 2013. He's a left-handed batsman as well as a left-arm medium pacer. So welcome, and I'm so happy to have you today.
Thank you for having me, and I'm happy to be back.
Yes. Since IPL 2026 का तो fever high है ही. I want to start off by asking you, what do you feel about the current IPL? What about the teams and all? What is your view?
I think the biggest thing is a lot of surprises. I feel generally fans expect certain teams to be at the top midway through the league phase, and there have been a few surprises. Some have been expected, and a few are quite a big surprise. So times are changing in the IPL. Yeah.
Since you were part of Delhi Daredevils in 2013, now it's Delhi Capitals. What difference maybe have you noticed? The team is not currently. It's not at the top, also neither at the bottom. They are at number 5 in the points table. Also, what is what is the difference that you see now, and if you compare to back then?
I think in general, obviously, I can talk in terms of Delhi Daredevils and in terms of IPL. There has been a lot of difference since the time, when I was playing. It was a completely different scenario, and now it's a completely different scenario, because when we started off and in the initial phase of the IPL, I feel it was more about hyping up the IPL. So there were a lot of superstars.
Right.
The focus was on the superstars, and now it is about the youngsters, and they are stepping up and they are trying to make a mark in Indian cricket and in world cricket. So there has been that shift in Delhi Daredevils, now Delhi Capitals, and in the IPL as well.
Right. Since you were part of the Delhi team, but if you had to choose your favorite team right now, कौन सी team होगी and क्यों? What is the reason for that?
See, I've always had a soft corner for Chennai Super Kings. So they'll always be if you ask me which is my favorite team, always, then it'll be Chennai Super Kings. But I feel right now, Punjab Kings is doing a terrific job. Last couple of years, they've been doing...
They are the top.
Yeah. I feel even this year, they are doing a great job.
Right. But since CSK, you have a soft corner for CSK. Mahi bhai nahi khel raha. I don't know if you're a Thalla fan. I am to MS Dhoni fan. I'm feeling bad, that he's not playing right now because of some injury or something. How does that make you feel?
Obviously, if you're a CSK fan, then you are a Mahi bhai fan. It goes without saying. Every one of us, we want to see him play, but I feel like he's at that position where he takes calls, how his body feels, and when it is the right time for him to play.
Right.
So we'll see, hopefully some time throughout the season we will see him playing.
Okay, I actually want to ask this question, regarding this impact player. Since a few, I think, seasons ये शुरू किया एक नया role of impact player rule, and क्या लगता है आपको? Is it it's good that they bought that in, or what is your view or insight on that?
I feel from a new player point of view, it is a good opportunity that an extra player gets to play the
Hmm.
match, because again there's a lot of competition. Very few players get an opportunity to
Right.
actually play in the 11. You might be part of the IPL, but then you might never end up playing a game because there is so much competition. So in those terms, I feel it's a good rule. But again, I think it should stay only limited to the leagues, because you don't want to mess around too much with the classical cricketing 11 player format, right? So I feel for the league, it's all right, but it can never trickle down to an international game.
That's there. I think IPL has that, not just, it's a mix. It's fun, entertaining, as well as there is some seriousness as well. Right now, if you look at the teams, lot of teams, who were maybe at the top, like, had that, like maybe a KKR, MI, CSK, they had that, अरे यार MI है, अरे CSK है, अरे KKR है. But those teams this time are at the bottom. Do you think that they would be able to get again at the top of the table?
See, like I said, there were a few surprises. We never expected Mumbai Indians to be at the
Right.
bottom of the table, right? So times are changing. I feel every team in the league is balanced now. Obviously, a few teams come with a legacy that they've won more trophies than the other teams,
Indeed.
but that does not mean that the other teams are not competent enough.
Right.
Again, after yesterday's game, now you see CSK from
My God,
from
yeah.
7th they've jumped to 5th. So you never know. Like, any team, especially in this mid phase,
Right.
can just bounce back and end up in the top 4.
Right. Talking about rivalries, most of the people say that, okay, I want to watch an MI CSK or a MI RCB or RCB CSK. Which rivalry excites you the most?
Currently, I think it's Punjab Kings versus RCB.
Oh, I
Two
think
very
even I
balanced
would
teams.
agree with you. It's a different sort
Yeah,
of like fire altogether.
Yeah.
But if you had to like say like Punjab Kings and RCB both are quite powerful. What according to you stands out the most about both the teams, if you had to say?
I feel leadership in both the teams.
Okay.
Two new captains, as in they've just been captains for a couple of seasons now,
Yeah.
and you already see the shift in mindset in both the teams.
Right.
Very aggressive, very flamboyant in terms of how they play the game. Not afraid to attack right from ball one. Even when even when they're bowling, they have certain plans. They try and execute it. There's no second thought in both the teams, and that is why I feel they are doing better than other teams in the league. I feel that's the difference between those two teams and the other teams in the league.
Got it. Now moving on to asking, sir, like, getting your memories alive as well. You've traveled to so many cities for the sport of cricket. Can you tell us like any stadium fun moment that you might have come across, or maybe a stadium that has the craziest fans?
Not the IPL, but during the Ranji Trophy final in 2016, we were playing against MP, and we were playing against Gujarat. We were playing in MP. We were playing against Gujarat, and RP Singh was playing for Gujarat. We lost that final, unfortunately. The crowd was crazy, और वो इतना पीछे पड़ गए थे आरपी सिंह के कि सर फोटो दो, and the match was like it was getting close. So obviously there's pressure, there are nerves. तो आरपी सिंह was on the boundary and लोग पीछे ही पड़ गए. They were like, अरे सर एक फोटो दो, ये करो वो करो, and they were literally like ऐसे फोन लेके खड़े थे. So RP Singh got pissed. Like for some time he was all right, and then he just got mad. He was like, अरे फोन दे. फोन लिया ऐसे फेंक दिया साइड.
Oh my God.
That was crazy. But obviously that was in the moment because there was so much pressure going on.
Right, obviously.
But it was very funny for us, young kids who were watching him. I was on the boundary and I saw him and like we just started laughing because phone leke hi fek diya seedha side mein.
My God, that fan
was
must have
crazy.
been very sad, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, now, any memory from Delhi Daredevils that time that you want to share with the audience, something like that would maybe for the Delhi Capitals fans, it would be so pleasing to know that this is how it was back then. Any fun memory?
The earliest memory would be I was playing my first practice game for Delhi Daredevils, and obviously in that team, just to be part of that team was huge for me. 19-year-old kid in the team of superstars. Like that team was Virender Sehwag, Mahela Jayawardene, Ajit Agarkar, Irfan Pathan, Ashish Nehra. I mean, right on day one, I knew I was not going to get a game to play. That is how strong
Oh
that team
my
was.
God.
So I was playing a practice game
Hmm.
and I bowled my first over. It went well. I got a wicket. Then Ajit Agarkar, he came from the other end
Okay.
and he bowled one ball and I was at fine leg. So he flicked it
Huh.
आणि माझ्या पायामधून नो टच बॉल गेला. आय वॉज सो नर्वस की लिटरली अ रेग्युलेशन बॉल लाईक वन बाउन्स स्ट्रेट इन द हँड्स.
My God.
It went through and he didn't say anything.
Huh.
He just walked back.
Hmm.
Again, I bowled an over. I got a
Hmm.
wicket.
Hmm.
Just went for 4 runs or something. And I was like,
Right.
okay, chalo, अच्छा, bowling तो अच्छा हो रहा है. Again, he came from the other end. This time I was at third man.
Oh.
The batsman cut.
Hmm.
Ball आला normal single.
Hmm.
Went straight through boundary.
My God.
He didn't say anything. The next ball he got a wicket.
Huh.
And he was like, and those who know Ajit Da, they know
Right.
how he is. He was
Yeah,
like, Roy,
obviously.
इथे जरा इथे. मी गेलो, हा अजित दा बोला ना. काय फिल्डिंग साठी दुसरा माणूस ठेवू का तुझ्यासाठी फक्त बॉलिंग करणार मॅच मध्ये. म्हटलं नाही
Oh,
करतो.
But
And,
that's the thing, like as a captain, even he was not rude or maybe arrogant, he's just वो मजाक मस्ती तो चलता रहता है. And that's
100%.
how the environment should be of a dressing room.
Yeah.
As because since you have also played, you can tell us well and good that how important is like the dressing room में this is how the environment should be, the positivity should be there. That okay, he's made a mistake, I will tell him, but not just snap at him, but tell it in a way that he'll understand also.
100%. That leadership really makes a difference.
Hmm.
Obviously, he was not captain of the Delhi Daredevils, but at the same time, he was one
Oh.
of the senior members, right? So that makes a huge difference for a 18, 19-year-old kid, like
Right.
how a senior approaches him.
Hmm.
In fact, he was the one who gave me my first blue pads
Oh wow.
after that game. He was like, काहीतरी batting आली माझी and I wasn't, I didn't have blue pads.
Oh.
So then that evening he was like, Roy, you don't have blue pads, and I was like, no. So he was like, okay, let me arrange them for you. And the next
Right.
day I got my first
Hmm.
SG blue pads. So he's been very supportive, but deep down he's a Mumbaikar, right? So that intensity, that khadoosness
I know.
on the field, obviously it comes out.
It's evident through
Yeah,
that.
but he's always supported me, and that is a sign of a true leader. Like he might be strict on the ground, but he's equally supportive of it.
Right. Okay, since you've played and maybe as a viewer also, maybe you, like if you're watching a match and you in this IPL 2026, that time I don't know if Ajit Agarkar was the leader for you, maybe that
Yeah.
time. And if you had to say, okay, now I'm seeing ये अच्छा leadership कर रहा है, like in today's in IPL 2026, then whose name would you want to take?
I feel obviously Shreyas has done a great job past couple of seasons.
Right.
Not just past couple of seasons, Shreyas in general, we talk about his leadership a lot because when he was in KKR, they won the trophy.
Right.
When he was in the Delhi Capitals, they reached the final. So, some people have that knack of leadership, and I feel Shreyas is one of those guys who has that in him, like a natural leader. And he keeps things very like chilled out. So
True.
that makes a huge difference in the environment of the team.
I think if someone asks me who is the best captain in this season, I would take Shreyas Iyer's name as well because
100%.
captain's knock I only see from him, whereas maybe the not worst captain I would want to say, but right now Ruturaj Gaikwad is not in good form as a captain. Not just people, a lot of fans, CSK fans, or maybe experts also feel that contribution as a captain is not coming in. Do you agree with that?
Yeah, in terms of batting performances,
Somewhere lacking.
he's not been where he has to be, like where we look at him as a player. He's a much more talented batsman than what he is performing right now. But again, I feel that knock or that form is just around the corner because if you are really that quality, then eventually you will perform.
Okay. One question ना जो मेरे दिमाग में अभी भी थोड़ा ये हो रहा है. You said that you had taken a wicket. Who did you dismiss in that match, that IPL match?
I don't remember actually.
But like it was an overseas player.
No. It was definitely some Indian player, but I honestly don't remember.
But how was then your maybe feeling like अरे wicket ले लिया, पहला wicket ले लिया. How was that feeling like?
The nerves, they calm down a bit, right? Because like I said, in that team, just to be part of
Right.
those 25 players was huge for me. Like, I feel the least experienced players were just three of us. We were Sujit Naik,
Oh,
myself, and Arish Singhvi.
okay.
So rest everyone had played for India or
Hmm.
had played international cricket. So for us, that was a big moment in our
Right.
careers.
Hmm.
But just to bowl a good over, get a wicket, you sort of get a sense of relief that okay, यहाँ पे है तो we are doing something good.
That's it. But every cricketer has that, okay, I have to contribute, I have to do it for my team, I have to do, if it's maybe a domestic match, I have to do it for maybe Mumbai, or like for you to be, I have to do it for Mumbai. How do you think maybe understanding from the fanatics who are at the stadium could help the athlete, that because कभी कभी क्या होता है, fans थोड़े चिढ़ जाते हैं, they get a little upset and all. Whereas there are some understanding fans as well. But how do you think maybe a little support from fans that it's okay, it happens, would help an athlete?
It plays a huge role, I feel, because obviously no cricketer is purposely trying to perform
Exactly.
in a
Yeah.
in a bad way, right? Everyone wants to perform, everyone wants to do well for the team. But cricket is, and in terms of fast bowling, I can say, because I'm a fast bowler, the only thing that we can do is bowl a good ball. After that, the result is not really in our hands, especially in T20 cricket. So, no player is trying to perform badly, but it's the nature of sport, right? Sometimes you'll win, sometimes you'll lose. So, from the fans, I think obviously there is frustration, and I feel India especially, fans are very emotional when it comes to cricket, and that is why we get that kind of support as well. तो वो ऐसे होता है कि सपोर्ट भी अच्छा है एंड देन क्रिटिसिज्म भी उतना ही बुरा है.
That's there.
तो obviously we can only ask fans to be understanding, but I feel it's almost a religion in India. So
Almost नहीं है ही.
हाँ, तो अभी
Almost का तो सवाल ही नहीं है.
भगवान से कोई अच्छा मांगा और वो मिला नहीं तो फिर चिड़चिड़ तो होगी थोड़ी सी.
That's them. Since you said you're a fast bowler as well, in this season, which fast bowler has caught your attention?
Saqib Hussain, SRH.
Oh.
Young bowler. I have seen him at MRF. I have seen him when he was in the KKR net bowlers camp.
Oh.
And then now, obviously, he made his debut for Hyderabad. Great prospect. He's already performing, so that's a good sign.
Right.
And I would really love to see how things go for him.
Right. Since you spoke about youngsters, moving on to youngsters, IPL has created this, vast opportunities for youngsters to, come up and, show their talent. What is your take on, how IPL, because back then, maybe like इतना नहीं था, पहले तो बहुत superstar था, अभी young, but like youngsters are getting that chance. What is your take on that?
Like I said, initially when IPL started, it was more about hyping up IPL. It wasn't about the players. It was about how big can the IPL get. And for that, you needed superstars. So everyone was focused more on, the superstars of the game, the legends of the game. But I feel in the last 5 to 6 years, that trend has started to sort of shift from the superstars to making superstars. So the new kids, the 16-year-olds, the 18-year-olds, they are starting to make a mark in the league. And obviously from there, they're trying to, play international cricket. So I feel there has been that shift and it's good. Obviously, that just shows that young players are getting more opportunities. Otherwise, if you keep focusing on the superstars, then you'll never see new players coming in.
Right.
So that is a great, sign for the IPL.
Right. Well, lastly, every cricketer has their own views, their own POV. What is your POV? What do you think? Which are the 4 teams that will qualify playoffs?
Obviously, Punjab Kings, RCB, Rajasthan Royals, and I still have this feeling that CSK will qualify 4th.
CSK?
Yeah.
But
they are 5th in the
gut
league.
feeling क्यों? You think if MS Dhoni comes in, I don't know, मतलब कुछ भी हो सकता है. If Thalla is there, तो goosebumps. I तो get goosebumps if I see him on the ground hitting those massive sixes. But right now he's not on the ground, तो मेरे को भी बुरा लग रहा है CSK की मैच देखने, because he has. I'm not saying that CSK doesn't have that, That way CSK hai, it's a very good team, but MS Dhoni just brings in a different spark to it. So
See, like I said, I have a soft corner for CSK, but without being biased, I feel they started off slow, but now things have started to pick up. Obviously, there are a few players, like you said, Ruturaj is yet to perform. Sanju has started getting runs. He has got a couple of hundreds. The bowling unit is looking settled now. It's not the best bowling unit, but I feel for their conditions, for their home conditions, they really have a team that can win home games. And in the IPL, to qualify, the teams that dominate at home are the ones who generally end up in the top four. So I feel they started off on a slow note, but they are starting to pick up now, and I still feel they'll somehow crawl through and qualify.
okay, just one more question. Any views on MI, Mumbai Indians?
MI on paper, I mean, there
तो
are
मुंबई कर बता सकते हो आप
हाँ,
क्या है
मतलब
व्यूज
on paper वैसा टीम मुझे लग नहीं रहा है कोई है. If you just look at the playing 11 or the 15, I feel it's one of the top two teams on paper, but it's just like I said, it's the nature of sport.
right
They're not having a good season right now, and I feel there has to be some kind of a change or some dressing room change or strategy change or something that has to go in their favor for things to change. But let's see. Maybe from the next game.
I think, but even Hitman being injured, MI might be a little more concerned.
100%. Rohit Bhai's presence in the team definitely makes a difference. Even if he's not leading the team, but just as a batsman, when you're bowling to Rohit Sharma with the new ball, you're already on the back foot as a bowler. So that makes a huge difference as compared to, any other batter. If Rohit is batting, then you know that your margin of error is very small.
Right.
And he dominates the power play. So once you pick up in the power play, then you're already ahead in the game. So I feel, they're missing him a lot.
I think everyone is missing him. It's going to be fun to see now what the future matches are going to bring in. But we are not done just yet. We have a rapid fire coming in. जिधर आपको फटाफट IPL के बारे में ही answers देने. But we'll be back in a short break. Well, now is the time for the rapid fire round. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, first one is, which player do you think brings the most entertainment value to the IPL? Not just performance, but personality, celebrations, everything combined.
Obviously, Hardik Pandya, he's obviously there, but apart from him, I feel Akhil Hossain from CSK.
Oh.
He's the new, I feel he'll be that superstar.
Oh, damn. Okay. Second one is, if you had to build a franchise from scratch today, which current IPL player would you pick as your first signing?
Shreyas, 100%.
Okay. Best IPL captain ever, your choice.
My bhai.
My bhai, okay. Fourth one is, power play batting or death overs drama. What do you enjoy more?
Death over drama.
Okay. One young player in IPL 2026 to watch out for.
Vaibhav Suryavanshi.
Okay. One stadium with the craziest crowd atmosphere.
RCB and Chennai when my bhai comes into bat.
Okay. And if you got a chance to dismiss a player, you want to dismiss, या मैं bowl करूँगा, ये dismiss मुझे करना है, कौन होगा वो batter?
Oh, Abhishek Sharma.
Abhishek Sharma, okay. And last one is, if you had to make an early prediction, who's lifting the trophy this season and why?
I feel right now, currently, Punjab Kings are the favorites, but I feel like RCB might be able to defend their title.
CSK नहीं अभी?
CSK
Soft word है. You've kept them. Well, I think it was such a fun conversation. There's entertainment. There's, lot of views that we've received from you, a lot of thoughts, how you feel that this IPL might take over. I want to say thank you so much for giving, your thoughts and stories to the audience.
Thank you so much for having me.
Well, the way IPL has evolved over the past few years, whether it is fan rivalries, new rules, or rising young players, we spoke about it all. Well, I promise to bring you fresh and unique content. And if you liked it, do ensure that you like, share, and subscribe. Next episode will be out soon, so stay tuned.